Hi friends, I hope you're doing well. Today was an Ulta day. My husband, my baby, and I, we went and strolled through Ulta, and I was finding things that I feel like nobody was talking about, like things that I had never heard of. So I picked up a few things. Here's my haul, and I'm gonna be trying them out today. I'm really excited. I really didn't go overboard with, I don't have a full face, basically. I just grabbed things that I was like, wait, that looks really good, but also, why have I not heard about it? Some of these things I haven't heard about because they're literally brand new. Other things, I feel like they just aren't talked about. So anyway, the first thing is this right here. This is actually a brand new product. I had no idea they were even launching this. Bareminerals launched a Skinlongevity Brightening Moisturizer Sunscreen. I swatched this on the back of my hand and it was so beautiful. Here's what it looks like. I had never seen this. I hadn't heard anyone talk about it. So we're gonna try this out. This is supposed to be the last part of your morning skincare routine. It has titanium dioxide and zinc oxide for sunscreen. And what else? Vitamin C, I guess. Let me see. It says it has a universally flattering peachy tint, which it did when I swatched it. It was really, really beautiful. So let me show you what it looks like. On the back of my hand, you can see how it's a really nice peachy color. Kind of has like a little bit of a glow to it. I don't know. I love these types of products, especially when I'm getting ready in the morning and going from skincare to makeup. I love to have products that work well under makeup, but also that have sunscreen in them. Anyway, so this seemed like something that might be good. I put this much on my hands and let's just see how this applies. So far, it feels like it's going to be very glowy. It has a bit of a scent to it, but I don't think it's like a added fragrance. I think it's just the ingredients. It feels really nice on the skin, but it does definitely have a bit more of like a glowy finish to it, which is not bad. Not a bad thing at all, actually. And then I took a stroll around Clinique, which honestly I'm just not that familiar with the brand in general. I was debating between two foundations. I couldn't decide, so I literally held them in front of my baby and I was like, which one should I try? She selected this one for me, so that's what I went with. This is the Clinique Even Better Serum Foundation. I actually have heard good things about this, but it was like a while ago. I don't really hear people talking about it anymore. And I don't know. It was front and center. I feel like maybe a lot of people like this. I don't know. I could be making that up. The other foundation was more of a hydrating one. This one was supposed to be a little bit more of a matte finish. So I figured with like this primer too, or like this sunscreen, it seemed like it would be more of a hydrating sunscreen, that more of a matte finish on top might work. So I don't know. I picked up the shade WN01 Flax. Here's the packaging, by the way. It's really, really cute. I love it. Has a little bit of a pump on it. This says it's a skin perfecting coverage. There's no fragrance. It's got vitamin C, salicylic acid, hyaluronic acid, and it also has sunscreen in it. So it's weightless, buildable coverage, second skin satin finish. Oh, why was I thinking it was matte? I don't know. All right, let's go for it. I'm gonna do one pump to start, and we'll take that and just apply it to one half of my face. Oh goodness. That is very full coverage. Okay, now that that's evenly distributed all over the skin, I'm taking my sponge to press it into the face, and then we can kind of look at both sides. I honestly feel like I might have applied too much. I wasn't sure how much coverage it would have because it sounded like it was gonna be a skincare-based type of a product. I feel like less could potentially be more with this. I do actually notice a hint more of a satin finish, even layered on top of more of a hydrating situation on this side. It is drying down with a little bit less dew than what I have on this side, which is nice. So here's the before, here's the after. The coverage is beautiful. I feel like the shade works well for me too. Definitely, I bet I could use a full pump on my entire face. I'm actually gonna try to use a little less on this side. To be fair, I didn't pick up the entire full pump, but I definitely think I could have used less. So I'm gonna try to put on a little less on this half. Yeah, because like the coverage is still good with less, and that way hopefully it wears even better. Okay, same thing, I'm just gonna press that into the skin. Something else that I bought, but I'm just gonna use this in a different video completely. The new Bareminerals Original Pure Serum Foundation. Let me know if you guys wanna see a review because I'm planning on it. So yeah, this is brand new. I haven't seen anyone talk about this yet, so I did buy it because I did want to try it, but I wanted to try this Clinique one with the Bareminerals Moisturizer first for this video, so that's where we're at with that. I do not have a new bronzer or contour. So I'm going to take the Oma Beauty. Well, technically this is new, but I didn't just barely buy it, is what I mean. This is from Oma Beauty. It's so beautiful. It's their new contour stick. Just going to warm up the face with this. Side note, I tried Glamnetic nails. You guys told me, because I've tried press-on nails in the past, and like the shape is kind of weird for me. And so many people commented, this was months ago at this point, but they were like, you gotta try Glamnetic, it fits my nails way better. So I finally tried Glamnetic nails. I placed an order. I'm obsessed. Like, they look so pretty, I think. It's just nice for days when like I don't have time to paint my nails necessarily, but I want them to look polished. I don't know, I think they're cute. I'll have this set linked down below because I think it's like really classic and timeless. Anyway, thank you guys for your Glamnetic recommendation. You guys always have the best recommendations, I swear. I almost went in with powder, but I realized I'm not even wearing concealer yet. Let's see here. Let's take a bit of my Charlotte Tilbury concealer. We'll just do a tiny bit. I feel like I almost forgot because this foundation gives such great coverage. I feel like I don't really need that much, but I do want to brighten up this inner corner here, so I'm kind of focusing the concealer there to brighten things up a bit. All right, now I'm going to go in with a bit of powder. This one is the Laura Mercier Blurring Powder. And now I'm going to take a fluffy brush and just kind of pat that on the outside of the face to lightly set everything. I'm going to jump into blush, actually. I picked this up randomly. This is from IT Cosmetics. It's the Bye Bye Pores blush. This is something that I feel like must have launched a while ago, maybe not. I don't think it's new to the market by any means. But I had never seen it. I don't know. I feel like when I'm at Ulta, I just don't really take a good look at IT Cosmetics. But look how pretty this color is. This is the color Je ne sais quoi. I'm really excited to try it. So let's take that on a little brush and just apply it to the apples of the cheeks. Ooh, how healthy is that? That looks like a very healthy pink blush. I love it. That's what I was hoping for, actually. And their whole Bye Bye Pores line is actually really nice. I know you guys like the powder too. So I figured, like, since I do love to apply blush over where I have my largest pores, how nice is it that it's gonna like smooth things a bit? I do feel like it is smoothing my pores a bit with that. Really nice blush, not too over the top. It's really pretty. I love that color. Okay, I need brows. So I'm just gonna fill my brows really quickly with my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pen. Okay, I actually love how fresh my complexion feels and looks right now. I'm trying to decide what I want to do with the eyes. Something simple, probably. Let's just take the Essence Contouring Duo. This has literally been my go-to eyeshadow. I feel like for every day, I really just keep it simple. So I'm taking the lighter shade first to create a bit of shape around the eye, and then the darker shade. I kind of apply it a little closer to the lid and what's left through the crease. I also really love to take a bit of whatever blush I'm using. So in this case, the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores, and I'm just gonna toss that onto the eyes as well, just for a little bit of warmth and to help kind of tie everything in. I'm kind of wanting to do something fun on the eyes. So I'm grabbing my Anastasia Cosmos palette. You know, this is like my favorite color. I'm obsessed with it, Super Cluster. But I'm just gonna take a little bit and just press that onto the eyelid for just a little bit of magic, you know? I feel like my eyes wanted something today. And then we'll do a little bit of mascara. This is a new one that I tried recently. It's from Anastasia. I'm still playing with it. So far, so good. I'm not sure if it's like my favorite ever, but I'm trying to give it a really fair shot so I can get back to you guys on how it works for me. Okay, and then I went to the drugstore aisle and I walked by the NYX lip liners and I was like, wait, I want to try this color. This is the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Maison. And it's like a brown color, which might seem basic to you, but it looked so pretty to me. It's kind of like a brownish mauve. I don't know. I saw it and I wanted to try it. So I'm going to. Let's go ahead and wipe off any foundation on the lips before we go in and try this. Oh my, yes, yes. That color is fantastic. Yes. Oh my gosh, I love that. I've never heard anyone talk about this shade. I've never heard of this shade before. I'm so happy I picked that up. Are you kidding? Oh my gosh. Okay, the last thing I bought is this right here. The box is a little bit disheveled because my baby was testing the packaging as we were walking around. So that's why it looks like that. Anyway, this is, oh, as it slides out, this is Benefit Secret Oasis Butter Balm. It's like a moisturizing lip balm. I thought the packaging looked so cute on this, and then the color looked gorgeous as well. And then I figured, well, I'm hoping anyway. Ooh, look at the packaging. And then you can see the color come through. Whoop. There it is. It's like a purple, kind of a mauvey purple color. Look at that. I don't know. Something about this color really spoke to me, so I was like, let's try it. I feel like paired with this lip liner could be really pretty too. What? Ew. I don't like how it tastes though. Not sure if that flavor was intentional. It kind of tastes like the frosting that comes in the cans, the jars, but like not in a good way. I don't know if I love, I don't think I like this one. The color is fabulous. Like seriously, look at the color with the lip liner, but it doesn't taste very good. I guess it's not like a requirement, but I don't know. Like it looks really pretty on the lips, doesn't it? But I just don't know how I'm gonna like this since I don't really love how it tastes. Listen, we're gonna wear it. I'll let you know. We're gonna assess the situation a bit first though. I'm gonna take what's left on the contour brush. I'm just gonna add a bit more to the cheekbones and forehead. I'm gonna take a little bit more blush onto the cheeks, and then just whatever's left of the powder on the puff through the T-zone a little bit more. I'm not gonna do setting spray today because I really do wanna see how this foundation holds up through the rest of the night, so we're just jumping straight into brow gel. This is my Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. I'm not gonna add highlighter to my face because I do wanna see kind of how the complexion wears on its own, but I am gonna take a little bit of this Oma Beauty highlighter. This is the Double Take Skin Perfecting Highlighter in the shade White Pearl. It's got a gorgeous like pink undertone to it, and I think that could just look so pretty in the inner corner and then a bit underneath the brows. Okay, so here's what everything looks like. Honestly, you guys, so far, I really, really love how everything is looking. The moisturizer felt really nice. I feel like that is a product that's more skincare based though, so I'll have to see how my skin, reacts to it, how it wears under other foundations that I'm more familiar with, because, this is a new foundation. I feel like my skin looks so flawless though with this foundation. It's really beautiful. I do feel like it looks heavy on my upper lip though. That could honestly be because I applied quite a bit, I felt, especially to this side of the face. So less is more. I feel like it is settling into my smile lines a little already too. Again, less is more. Partially could be my fault. But overall, I'm really happy with what I picked up. The lip balm is the only thing that I'm like, I really don't know if I like the smell of it or the taste, but it seems to be maybe fading. So I'll keep you guys posted. I'll do a little vlog check-in at the end of the night letting you know how things wore. So let's go ahead and see that now. Okay, so I'm here in my room. I just yawned. I'm not crying. I just yawned. It's currently 9:42 p.m. so I've been wearing this for almost 6 hours. Here's the situation. Hopefully you can see things. I feel like everything looks nice. My eyeshadow looks pretty in this light, tell you what. Everything looks really balanced, which I appreciate. The foundation, it definitely still is looking like heavy around the mouth. Completely my fault, honestly. I mean, at least I think right now. I applied way too much. I wasn't really expecting to have that much coverage, or that texture, I guess. It was a thicker texture than what I assumed was gonna be coming out of that packaging. Anyway, here we are though. Not bad. Like I feel like from far away especially, like it looks fine. I'll have to wear it again. I'm not sure if it's like my favorite foundation off the bat, but again, I gotta use less. I feel like that same thing happened to me with the House Labs foundation. When I first tried it, I was like, I don't get the hype. Like, this is not as pretty as everyone said. And then I used way less, and it's like my favorite foundation now, one of them anyway. So maybe it's one of those things. What else did I try? Look at the blush. It's still very pigmented. Looks really nice. What else did I buy? I forgot. Oh, the moisturizer. Like, I feel like my skin looks definitely hydrated. Not too oily or over the top, which is nice though. So I'm excited to keep using that. The lip product, it didn't last very long. It was kind of thin, in my opinion. I was kind of sad because, like, the color was stunning. Like, honestly, the color with the lip liner, which I'm obsessed with the lip liner, by the way. So good. But I'm not sure about that balm. I don't know. This wasn't my cup of tea. So overall, I'm going to give the foundation another go. The blush is stunning. Lip liner, phenomenal. Moisturizer, can't wait to keep using it. I'm watching Makeup by Kellyanne's little platform. If you guys haven't heard of that, I will link it down below. It's my favorite way to like wind down. She posts tutorials on her platform and also has like celebrity makeup artists come on, other brand founders she's doing this month, and I'm like so inspired to watch just like them getting ready together or her doing people's makeup. It's so fun. Anyway, that's total tangent and side note, but that's what I'm doing right now. Anyway, okay. That's my update. Hope you enjoyed. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know if there's other products that are launching that you would like for me to try, or if there's something else at Ulta that you feel like nobody talks about that's really good that you think I should pick up next time. Let me know in the comments down below. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you in my next video. Love you. Bye.